Today we're at Seda Hotel. This is a studio type room. Here's how our room. There's a fridge. It's bigger. And here's the freezer. It's colder. So cold. And this is the sink. And you can cook over here. There's some microwaves, some pots, some bowls, and some glass. There's some spoon and a spatula, and a sponge, and I don't know, sprinklers, and those. And there's two laundries.
Washing machine and dryer.
This one's a washing machine, and this one's a dryer, I think. And the big mirror. And you can eat over here. Yeah, you can eat over here. There's two chairs. And there's some free water. 4 water bottles. It's perfect. And a couch. A couch. And I can sit over here. And then I can lay over. And I get a table. A little circle table that you put anything on. And here is the TV. The TV's in the middle of everything. And the bed. You can watch on the bed and TV. And over here, there's some tissue. Every hotel, they're always putting it like this now, not the other times. And a lampshade. Now, this is a different lampshade. It's out here. It's not like just straight. And over here, our luggage is over here. And some drawers. I don't know what it's inside of it. Oh, also some of my stuff. And an umbrella, and a plancha. And hangers. There are 4 hangers again. And a very big cabinet over there that we can put. And down here is nothing. It's just a storage place. You can just put anything. Oh, I got this one. I think there's nothing there. And this one, there's our stuff. There's stuff again, my bag. Oh yeah, and a safe, a hair dryer over here, and a flashlight. Okay, then I come out. And storage again.
Your shoes.
Where we can put our shoes. And more storage again. We can also put our shoes here too. And the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. This is a sink. There's a dental kit, a vanity kit, soap, and some conditioner, hair wash, body lotion, and some face towels. Another face towel, another vanity kit, 2 dental kits, 2 vanity kits, 1 soap, and another soap, different kind, and a cup holder, and some tissue, and yeah, and where we can put the soap, and here, and over here, there's a toilet, a telephone, and the tissue like this again, and the trash can, and the towel, and the shower. The shower area. And also, closer. And also more towels and more other towels. These are just extra little towels. And come on here. Oh, and the other one that I showed you was a side table. It's a table for the bed. And there's a paper and a pen over here, and a remote, another telephone, and what's in here? I think it's a Bible. Oh, this time there's no Bible. Wait, but I think that one had a drawer as well. So maybe the Bible or something is in here. Oh, no Bible this time. I always see a Bible in the drawers of the hotel. And the view. Wow. So cool. So much buildings that are taller. And they're glowing up. Oh, and look over there. There's like so much glowing lights. The rainbow. Okay, bye.
You know, I just had a thought. New hair, new lifestyle. It's all kind of working.
I've been wishing that I would be sitting here, not asking why. I don't wanna go out, even though I told you we'd be going tonight. Don't care if I try, don't care if I try, don't care if I try. I'm not going tonight. Don't care if I try, don't care if I try. Can't get this off my mind.
We were about to go out tonight. We were about to go out tonight. Girl, we were about to go out tonight. Now you tell me shit ain't right. We were about to go out tonight. We were about to go out tonight. We were about to go out tonight. Now you tell me shit ain't right.